Happy New Year, everybody. We're back and we're ready to have the best year ever. It's easy to get wrapped up on all your New Year's resolutions or your goals in 2019, but don't forget the basics of your home winter safety. The last thing you need is to be left in your house freezing. You don't want to be in that ice box where your heart used to be. Here's a small checklist for you to go through to make sure your home is nice and cozy all winter long. Check your fire alarm and carbon monoxide detectors. Every so often, you might have to change the batteries or test them to make sure they're still working. Have your furnace serviced. Get it professionally checked. Make sure it's on tuned up and ready to keep your home warm all winter long. Inspect and clean those fireplaces and chimneys. Fires are great in the winter, but make sure it's ventilating properly and serviced because they could cause some problems if not taken care of. Mainly, a fire hazard. Duh. If weather-related emergencies occur, do you have any no-cook or non-refrigerated foods that you can just survive on? What if it's a zombie apocalypse? Do you have anything that can last you for a couple days or weeks or months until the backup arrives? Also, do you have any flashlights that's battery or crank powered? Any radios or lamps or samurai swords? Stock up on your sand and salt for your icy driveways and walkways. Do you have any safety tips that you'd like to share? Comment below, and I'll see you next Wednesday.